Despite my efforts, I couldn't persuade him to change his mind. She's contemplating studying abroad next year. The company's profits have significantly increased this quarter. His opinion on the matter is quite different from mine. I'm inclined to believe that there's more to the story. This novel is an intriguing blend of mystery and romance. We need to critically assess the impact of technology on our lives. It's essential to communicate effectively in a team. The documentary provides a comprehensive overview of the issue. I'm accustomed to getting up early for work. The meeting was postponed due to unforeseen circumstances. Her performance in the play was exceptionally brilliant. It's crucial to maintain a balance between work and leisure. He articulated his thoughts very clearly in the meeting. The city is renowned for its vibrant cultural scene. We must take into account the environmental implications of our actions. She has a profound understanding of human psychology. It's advisable to book your tickets in advance. The new policy aims to mitigate the impact of climate change. The novel is set in a quaint village in the English countryside. His arguments were supported by compelling evidence. The course encompasses various aspects of digital marketing. She has a tendency to worry about minor things. The project requires meticulous planning and execution. I'm enthusiastic about the new opportunities this job offers. The lecture was an insightful analysis of modern art. Adapting to a different culture can be challenging. He's contemplating a career change. The film's plot is both complex and engaging. It's imperative to follow the safety guidelines. Her remarks sparked a lively debate. The software is designed to enhance productivity. I have a diverse range of interests. The festival celebrates the city's rich heritage. He has a knack for solving complex problems. They're advocating for stricter environmental regulations. The book offers a nuanced perspective on the topic. Her approach to teaching is both innovative and effective. Understanding different viewpoints is crucial for resolving conflicts. The policy has unintended consequences that need addressing. The museum houses an extensive collection of artifacts. We should strive for sustainable development. She possesses a wealth of experience in this field. The scenery was absolutely breathtaking. The government is implementing measures to boost the economy. He has a subtle sense of humor. The conference will delve into various aspects of cybersecurity. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle requires discipline and commitment. The agreement signifies a major breakthrough in negotiations. We need to evaluate the long-term effects of this decision.